Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today has started a, I don't know what to call it. I'm excited, I'm nervous. There's a lot of emotions going around because yes, I did. I bought a boat and a project at that. Can't put it on the water yet. It's not registered. It's just a bill of sale. But here it is. 19-foot ski barge I picked up. I have I'm glad it didn't have the entire SS Minnow on it, but I'm probably gonna call it the SS Mini. It's a center console. Console's in there. Evinrude 115 horses. I did change out the tire just because I had like a 2-hour drive, so I bought these at Walmart. The trailer's in decent condition. It ran really good. The boat has quite a bit of soft spots. We're gonna be replacing replacing that right there. A lot of foam, a lot of wood. I'm gonna have to re-glass all that. Ski barge. So they said that the motor was working. Prop looks good. Looks like there's some new wiring in this throttle. It looks like it was for a throttle, so I'm thinking they might have been working on thinking it was a throttle body, and so they probably didn't get to redo the carburetors. So that's gonna be some work, but I couldn't help it. It was $100 for everything: trailer, motor, boat. So what did I get myself into? I'm kind of excited. I got another project on my hands, and once it starts getting cooler, I'm gonna go buy a pressure washer and start cleaning it up. I saw a pressure washer at Costco this morning for $2.99. It has for the concrete and all that I need for the house. So I'm gonna go buy that, and then we're gonna clean her up and see what we got. Stay tuned. This one's gonna be a good one. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. I'm going to be posting videos of the progress of this thing, and then we got to put it in the water. So big challenge coming. Stay tuned. Catch y'all later.